Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. It's continuing the My Hero cosplays. I'm actually in this female Dabi. I've actually never done female Dabi, so I was like, wow, I actually did it. And I think it turned out pretty good. I don't usually cosplay villains, but I might add this one to my new roster. I love it. Thank you so much to my follower who decided to choose this makeup look. When I don't know what to film, I ask you guys. So if you don't follow my Instagram, I recommend you highly follow it. It's going to be linked down in the description, and that's how I know what you guys want to see. And usually I will take that idea or advice and I will do it. So this is what I created. I hope you love it. Yeah. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so first I'm starting with the Wet n Wild Cream Paint palette, this purple shade, just lining it up because Dabi has that part of his face burnt down from the probably like lips down. Make sure to get those ears and remember to set really well, really pound that powder in. Now I'm just dusting off the excess and making sure to get rid of all that excess powder. And here I'm going in with my Wet n Wild foundation and just cleaning up that edge and also just adding foundation to my face. This is honestly my favorite concealer at the moment. I love how full coverage it is, and for my dry under eyes, it really doesn't make it look bad. Now again, setting the under eyes and face. I accidentally lost the footage, but there I just take a light blue shade and put it all around my crease and inner corner since we are creating a halo eye, and now taking a slightly darker blue, putting in the inner and outer corners and just blending and smoking it out. Patience and layers and blending is really key with this look. You really got to make sure to go in with each brush and blend out very precisely, and also really make sure to layer those colors on. That's how you get the perfect gradient and blend. Off camera, I added some powder under my eyes to catch the darker fallout, and also decided to just contour my nose a little. Now I'm taking this really dark blue, almost like navy blue, and putting that slightly just lower on the inner and outer edge, and make sure to blend it out. Now going in with the black and really carefully adding very little of that layering in the inner and outer edge, just to really blend it out and smoke it out extremely and give it that darkness and that oomph. Now taking that same concealer, I'm just applying it on the center of my lids and cutting the center of my crease to get that halo effect. Now I'm taking that navy blue shade in the inner and outer edge of that halo eye just to blend it out and make sure that it's a seamless blend between the two. I'm taking this beautiful sparkly blue shade from the BoxyCharm palette and applying it while it's still wet to the halo eye. Now adding this just random glitter that I have just to give it a little bit more sparkle and drama, and off camera added liner and lashes. And now going in with just a little bit of blush. I actually held myself back this time because I feel like Dabi would not wear a lot of blush, but I still wanted to give him the pink traditional nose that I love giving all my characters. Just adding some setting spray to bring the skin back to skin. In with my favorite highlighter at the moment, the Wet n Wild highlighter, and just adding that glow. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. Bling bling. Now to give it that more punkier, darker edge, I decided to go with a black liquid lipstick, and I honestly think it looks amazing. is the final female Dabi. What do you guys think? For never doing this style makeup, this character before, I'm really shocked and impressed of what I could do. I really like it, and I might turn this into a full cosplay that I do on my TikTok. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me who your favorite villain of all time is. Thank you guys so much for supporting me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.